Hey, what's up traders, welcome back to my channel. My name is George, and in this video we're going to discuss what consistently profitable trader means. From the day one when you start trading, you'll hear about this consistently profitable trader, and you want to be that consistently profitable trader. However, a lot of us have a very different understanding what actually the consistently profitable trader means. So for the new trader, when they're starting up, what the consistently profitable trader, or their definition of being a consistently profitable trader, means is something like this. I trade 5 days a week and take a number of trades every single day within the 5-day periods, and maybe every now and then I will have 1 or 2 losses every 100 or 200 trades. All I need is a high win rate strategy, so I know that I will be fine, because the guy I bought it from said it is the most advanced trading strategy in the market. And the last thing is, yes, I will be making withdrawals every single month out of my trading account to support my lifestyle, and generally that accounts to have an expensive lifestyle. If you believe that you can't have losing trades, you can make profits every month, and you can withdraw your profits every single month to support your lifestyle, then I'm here to disappoint you. That is far from the truth. Consistently profitable traders, they don't make profits every single month. The market is not your personal ATM machine, so whenever you need cash, you go there and withdraw the money. This doesn't work that way. Being a consistently profitable trader means that over the long term you make money. So measuring your progress, let's say within that 12 months period. So if you make money within that 12 months period, then it's good. But that does not mean that within that 12 months period you can't have a few months of the drawdown. We are living in a time where we want everything now, and whole infrastructure is pretty much designed around that. If you want to buy something, go to the Amazon, and it will arrive in the next day. If you got a question, type it on Google, and you're gonna get thousands of answers within a second. If you're gonna put hours into your work, you're gonna get the paycheck at the end of the week or a month. Guys, in order to become a consistently profitable trader, it will take time, dedication, and hard work. If you're not willing to go through emotional ups and downs and continuously learn to master your trader mindset, you're not gonna become a consistently profitable trader. Most traders can't psychologically cope going through the drawdown, especially if it's a month or 2 of the drawdowns. Sometimes it can last even longer time. So it's not that easy to do that. So what they're doing instead is they're looking for the easy way out. And one of the obvious easy way out is not using stop losses to avoid having a loss in the first place. This is just one example, and in my last video I talk about 3 biggest mistakes traders make. So make sure to check this one out. I go into more details about these mistakes, and one of them is not using the stop losses. When you become a consistently profitable trader, you still gonna have a losing trades, and you're still gonna have a drawdowns. But the difference between the profitable traders and not profitable traders is that the profitable traders, we know that we can have losing trades and we can have the drawdowns, and we are better at dealing with these losses as well as the drawdowns. And when the profitable traders, they go through these drawdowns, they know that this is just a drawdown. It's not because the strategy has stopped working or anything like that, because every single strategy, no matter what strategy you're using, wherever you bought it from, if anyone knows about it, it doesn't really matter. Every strategy is going through the drawdown. There's going to be a point where the market is just not working for your strategy, or your strategy, more like it, your strategy is not suitable for that market conditions. If you have not figured out already, being a profitable trader is not about how good is your strategy or what kind of indicators you are using. What decides your success in trading is your mindset. So if you're always using the tricks to avoid challenges, that when you face the challenge, you're not gonna be strong enough to overcome it. I use challenge as a metaphor. What I meant by the challenge is the loss. The new traders desperately trying to avoid losses, and it does goes against our human nature. We have the bad association about the loss. It comes as the loss is a failure, so we're trying to desperately avoid that loss. Well, it can be right in a real life, but the real life does not really apply when it comes to trading. So actually having losses is not a bad thing, because we can always make them back. By just to cope with that emotional struggle when we're going through the few losses is not an easy thing. But the only way to build that resilience, the emotional resilience, is to go through the losses and experience that losses, because this is just the part of the game. And once you're going through the few losses and you've been trading for quite some time, then you build the emotional resilience, so you won't be despondent to the losses, because you know at the end, okay, I had whatever 10-20 losses, but at the end I know that at the end of the year I know that I'm gonna be net up. So it doesn't really matter if you had 40 losses or 60 losses. If that 40 trades, let's say you did 100 trades and 60 losses, from that 100 trades, 60 of them are losers and then 40 of them are winners. If that 40 makes you more money than what you've lost, then it doesn't really matter if you have lost in that 60 trades, because at the end you're gonna be net up. It's very difficult to manage your emotions, especially if you're a beginner trader. It's a lot of things going on when you're going to manage your losses, your background, your childhood. All of these comes together. I would recommend to you one really good book. I read that one before I even started trading, but it really helps to get to know yourself better in terms of how to manage your emotions. Chimp Paradox Mind Management is a great book, and I would highly recommend every trader to read. It's all about mindset and how to manage your emotions. Link is in the description. I hope at the end of this video you have a better idea what the consistently profitable trader means. And I know that on social media everyone's looking good and how much profits they are making and their luxury lifestyle they were living and all that, but most of them are fake, and they're just using that for the marketing purposes to drag you in, and that you have to pay for their course or whatever they are offering to sell, that they can continue to live that whatever the luxury, if they're even living that kind of luxury lifestyle. But the trading is not like this. Before you click off, make sure to smash the like on this video. It really supports my channel, so I greatly appreciate if you do that. And if you got any questions, leave it in the comment section below. Make sure to smash that subscribe. If you're new to the channel, I do upload a lot of good content on YouTube. So have a great day, and I will see you guys in my next video.